I know a lot of you guys want to get into investing, and I wanted to show you how simple it is. So I'm putting $100 in this Autopilot wealth fund is what I'm calling it. I'm using Fidelity. This is just gonna be automatic. I don't have to think about it. There's no trading, no guessing. It's literally just consistency, and we're gonna watch it grow every single month, every single year, just to see what happens. And I want you guys to do it with me. The process is really simple. Do it before January ends. Just open a brokerage account. You can go to fidelity.com, you sign up for a taxable brokerage, you link your bank account, and you just start putting money in, whatever it is. If it's $10 a month, if it's $50 a month, if it's $100 a month, if it's $1,000 a month, do it. I'm gonna make this extremely boring. And I think that's the thing that none of us realize about wealth and investing it's the low, long, turtle route. You know what I'm saying? Like, there's nothing fast, there's nothing sexy about investing. It's very boring. But just like anything, showing up each month, each year, you just watch it grow. And by the time you're 60, or if you're going crazy, maybe you're 40, 50, 60, whatever, you're set up real nice. So the first thing that I'm gonna be buying, I'll just give you guys the breakdown. This is not financial advice. You guys can figure out whatever stocks you want to invest in. I'm not a financial advisor or anything. I'm just showing you guys what I'm personally doing. I'm gonna be buying FSKAX, which is the Fidelity Total Market Index Fund. It's a mutual fund, not an ETF, so it owns thousands of companies. You think of things like Apple, Google, Amazon, Microsoft. You're basically buying a piece of the entire US stock market within one fund. It's extremely low cost. It's diversified, and it's designed for long-term investing. It's, like I said, the safe route. So I'll be buying this. I'm buying FTIHX. That's the Fidelity Total International Fund, so I can get a piece of things that are going on out in the international markets. And then Apple is just a personal preference, and I'm also going to be investing in Tesla just because I believe in the brand. I love Apple. I've always been an Apple fanboy, so it's just something that I use on day to day. I don't see them not continuously innovating and growing and just being the monster company that they are. Tesla, definitely a lot more on the higher risk side of things, but again, a speculation, long-term hold for me personally. Neither of these two are to beat the market. They're just companies that I believe in. And like I said, those mutual funds are what gives me the perfect balance to own a piece of everything. You don't really got to think much when you buy these kind of mutual funds because, like I said, you own a piece of everything. So you just invest money and you get your 3%, 5%, 10%. You can look back on the historical data and see how it's done year in and year out. And it's really that simple. You just set it and forget it. Now, obviously, as the income grows, I think even I'll put money that I make on this channel into this portfolio. But the goal is just to start with a simple $100 a month, and we'll see what happens. Investing is all about letting the time do the work. So then once you have money, you guys can see I have $100 in here. I'm gonna go to trade my Autopilot wealth account. And the nice thing is that you can buy fractional shares. So let's say one stock costs $300, but I only have $100. So if I wanted to buy $20 of that $300 stock, it's fractional. So I could get like 0.1 or whatever the math is. So if we're starting with FSKAX, boom, you guys can see it's $189 per share. I'm gonna buy. The dollar amount I'm going to put in there is going to be $65. Review order. This trade will be completed at the next. I'll hop in here, place order, and then I'm also going to buy the FTIHX International. Buy. I'm gonna put $15 in there. Place order. I'm gonna buy Apple, $10, and then I'm going to buy Tesla, dollars. 10, preview order, buy, place order. And just like that, guys, we are in it. So you guys can see my asset allocation: domestic stock, 95%, bonds, foreign stock, short term. And here are my buys. This is still not filled yet, but that's it, man. That's how you get invested. And the thing that I like about Fidelity is that, like I said, I can set it and forget it. I can every month put $80 specifically to FTIHX, or $80 towards FSKAX, or $20 towards Apple, $300 towards Tesla, whatever I want. I can just set it up recurring. I don't got to think about it. I just keep working. Money hits my account, transfers. It just compounds. It's really that simple, guys. So I'm really excited to get this started. If you guys have any other questions or need any help, just let me know down below in the comments.